Hi everybody, today we're at our local Italian supermarket shopping for Superfoods and Superherbs. And we're at an Italian market because the Mediterranean diet is known to be particularly rich in superfoods and superherbs. So what are superfoods? Well, generally they include a good selection of all the essential nutrients required by the human body. For example, amino acids, sugars, lipids like essential fatty acids, vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants. So let's go take a look. Okay, so let's start with soybeans and soya products like tempura, tofu, and so on, which are actually very good at protecting you from radiation. Those are usually found in Asian supermarkets, but let's see if we can find an alternative here. And here we go. Here are some navy beans, and they're highly nutritious with high protein, and they have, of course, fiber and essential fatty acids once you cook them, and vitamins and minerals, and a very interesting antioxidant called apigenin, which is not only anti-inflammatory, but it's great for enhancing your cognitive ability and function. So yes, it's true that baked beans are good for swatting students. Okay, so next we're going to look at some nuts, which are also high protein. They have carbohydrate and fiber, and they have essential fatty acids, vitamins and minerals, and peanuts have a very special antioxidant called resveratrol, which is both anti-aging and anti-cancer. Okay, so now we're going to look at some seeds, and they're also high protein. They have fiber and essential fatty acids, vitamins and minerals. And now sunflower seeds especially are very rich in selenium, which has strong anti-cancer properties against prostate, lung, and colorectal cancer. And they contain zinc, which is an antioxidant, so it's involved in detoxifying enzymes. And also, it helps to prevent cancer. Okay, so the thing about superherbs is that they're very rich in antioxidants. And let's take a look at oregano. And this is a very good superherb. It's particularly known for containing antioxidants known as terpenes. And essential oil of oregano is known to be not only antiviral, antifungal, but also antibacterial. Okay, so basil is another very interesting superherb. It's used in Italian, Iranian, Indian, and Chinese cuisine. It's also an important ingredient of traditional medicines, and it has a very good antioxidant called caffeic acid, which not only has anti-cancer properties, but it is also neuroprotective. So garlic is really an amazing superherb, and it's been prized since ancient times. It has, when you crush garlic, it produces an antibacterial agent called allicin. And of course, this was very important before the advent of antibiotics. And also, it has cardioprotective effects. Okay, so superfoods and superherbs are not only highly nutritious and health promoting, but they're also actually highly economical and quite resilient to fluctuations in price that your other staple foods might not be. And they're also a great choice for wildfire evacuees who are very much in our thoughts. For example, you should keep a bag of trail mix, which is dried fruit, nuts, and seeds, handy. Maybe a bunch of bananas, which are high energy, and a bottle of water per person, preferably with electrolytes. And of course, don't forget your pets, a bag of dry pet food for each pet, and a bottle of water per pet. And you can look into pet electrolytes too if you're interested. And finally, black tea is a great idea too. It's an amazing it's an amazing super herb because it contains antioxidants that actually help to detoxify the toxins found in smoke. So yeah, hang on to that pioneer spirit, and that's it for today.